this session, let's learn about materialized views. Okay? What are materialized views? They are nothing but a table segment whose contents are periodically refreshed based on a query. Okay? We can fetch this data based on a local table or a remote table which is present somewhere in the database in some other continent. Okay? So here, using a query, we are fetching the data and creating the content for the materialized views. Okay? So whenever we are creating these materialized views, you can take the data, summarize it at the grain you want, pre-calculate like your shipping cost or your net profit. You can do all those calculations and create those materialized views and then distribute it to the servers wherever you need that data. Okay, in the early releases of Oracle, these materialized views were called as snapshots. Okay, so what are the advantages of materialized views? The main advantage of materialized view is replication of data between sites. Example, you have data in North America, okay, and you have clients all over the world. Okay, suppose example, if a person residing in Asia wants to access the data, he has to connect all the way to this server, right? Think about it. It creates lot of network traffic to transfer the data from here to this user, right? So instead of that, what about creating a materialized view? That's a good idea, right? Yes. What we do is, depending upon the content on the server, we create a materialized view in the server in Asia, in the server in Africa, in the server in South America, and the server in Australia. Okay, and the contents in these four servers are periodically refreshed from the data present in the North American server. You see how you were able to replicate your data in the other continents? Yes, that is one of the major use case of a materialized view. Okay, and the other example, improves performance. Okay, suppose example, you have this data model where you have about 1 million rows. Think about it. Whenever you are querying the data and saying, okay, give me the profitability by month, by customer and by product, you have to query those million rows to summarize and produce the result. Will the retrieval be fast? No, right? Because it has to process those 1 million rows. What if I take those 1 million rows, summarize, pre-calculate and create a materialized view with these 6 columns? It will be a good idea, right? And the result set will be only 10,000 rows. So whenever we are looking at a summarized data, we can go to this materialized view, and whenever we are looking at a detailed information, we can go to the actual sales table, right? Yes, these are the main two advantages of materialized views. One is replicating the data between the sites, and the number two is improving performance. Okay.